Good morning, traders. I'm Graham. Good morning, traders. I'm Graham, and I'd just like to walk you through my new trend trading system. So to start with, I placed one trade earlier, and I shall walk you through that. But just to highlight some of the things that you need to find, and to start with, it's this large dot with the sun. We'll mark that off. The next thing you need to look out for is this orange down arrow, and we'll mark that. And obviously, if it all works out, price will drop. Now, you don't want to enter here, you want to enter on the pullback, which is this large orange dot here. Now, a lot of people have been asking me about the repainting effects of the semaphore, because obviously it does repaint, it's a repainting indicator. So, in order to eliminate this, I've added in the Bollinger Band stop. I shall mark that in so you know what it looks like, and that's here. Now, obviously, the Bollinger Band stop works in exactly the same way as the parabolic SAR. It follows these little points here are your stop loss, and you move the stop loss down to these points so that if price suddenly reverses, you might be lucky and lock in some profit. That's in forex trading. So I shall mark in where we'll probably take an entry, but you also got two more filters down here, down at the bottom. You've got an RSI, which in this case is orange because it's below 50, which means it's a bearish market. And you've also got the RSI filter, which in this case is also orange, making a perfect setup for a sell trade. Now you do this for 30 minutes and your trade would end up here. If those of you that have got brokers with fixed expiry points, that would be around about the 11:15 mark. And as you can see, if you'd have entered up here on the opening of the next candle, you would have been in the money, which is also great. But you've also got another setup, which is the one that I'm going to show you, which is this one. You've also got, you've noticed, another orange arrow down, and you wait for the pullback, in this case the large orange dot at the top here, and you look out for the entry on the Bollinger Band stop, in this case here. I shall draw a vertical line where I entered, right about there, and the price I entered was 123,229, and that was exactly the same exact place where I entered my trade, also for a 30-minute, which would have been around about quarter past the hour, and as you can see it was in the money. But you will notice that although the RSI was in bearish territory, you also notice that the RSI filter was in bullish territory. I entered the trade anyway. This is a less conservative trade, and one that if there was any news coming up I would have totally ignored. But that's another thing, that's a story for another day. Always avoid news time announcements, whether it be fundamental speeches and the like. But in this case, it shot back up out of the money, but then came back down in the money. So I came a winner out of that. So I hope this has explained a little bit. I know it's very brief, this video. The next one I'll do will hopefully be a live trade. So all I can say is good luck all you traders out there, and I hope you do well with my trading system.